Hello, hello, hi mga suki lalab ko. Ayan, naghahanap ka ba ng legit supplier dito sa Pilipinas? Andito lang ang Elvis Store. Halos lahat ng beauty product meron kami. Mapa Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, even the, what you call this? Bangladesh beauty product. Meron yan dito sa Elvis Store. Ayan, gumagawa ngayon si Jonas. Ang order sa kanya ay 200 plus daily plus na 300. Rejuvenating set natin. We have Brilliant, Fairy Skin, Arab Skin, at mga Beauty Vault, and Perfect Skin, Perfect Formula, and Rix. Meron din tayo. And we have also the Lux Organic. Ayan yung mga Lux Organic natin. Iba't ibang klase. And we have the Lingzing, mga pampataba. Ayan, Lux Organic. Ang dami, diba? We are the Thailand product with AR Niacinamide. Aming Fresh Love. Ayan, mga Fresh Love. We have Papa Peel. Ang nagsi-trending ngayon, Papa Peel Serum Niacinamide. The Elf from Thailand. And Kilikili Fard kay Shashna. We have Gore from Pakistan. Ayan. We have premium mask, Australian mask. Tayo yung kay Madam Kilay, ang kanyang jumbo, 30 pack na yan. And the best selling now is the shampoo. We have Jimilan item, and we have the New Moon, Berry Harmony, Saiko, and meron din tayo mga multivitamin, stress tab, detox sleep, isa sa pinakamabisang pampapayat, Dayanpil, Tokyo, Hikari. We have also from Japan, Pino. And we have the Gummy Bears, of course, Vita Bears. These are the body wash of Lux Organic. We have the Escoban and another Lux Organic and Skin Glory, Organic Skin. Magkaiba po yun. We have also the Simply Supplement. Mapapansin nyo, magulo pang stock room namin. Sapagkat subalit patapot kami kakalipat lang dito. We have the Kagayaku, Nude White, and Nutricol. Okay? Meron kaming second floor. Dito sa hagdan. So, andito sa first floor. Second floor ang ating mga soap. Also this. Oh my God, I have the Bremod, the best-selling hair color. We have the Lux Organic lotion. The Bremod product also. We have Cream Silk also. Aficionado perfume. Siglo, AR Soap. And then the next door is, ito hindi pa rin siya tapos guys. Ito yung aking